Hi parents, this is Mrs. MIkula, and I just wanted to go over a few things for the classroom for our official open house that is now virtual. So as you can see on your screen, this is my CTLS, and I am in the student version for what the kids will see in the classroom right now. So if you go to my classes, you'll see that I have two, but looking at first period college readiness math, if you click in there, you'll see that I have my picture here, and then I also have my email address if you ever need to email me. I want them to join Delta Math. I think there's just a few that haven't joined yet, so make sure your child can go on and join our Delta Math, and they can do that by using that code there. I also have here some announcements that I'll periodically put in onto CTLS for the students to see. You can see that the test has been moved to this Friday. So we do have a Unit 1 test coming up this Friday. And within the class, if you go into digital sessions, you can see that we're doing algebraic expressions right now. And there's the summary of what we're doing. And then if you go into lesson resources, we do have a packet that we're working on, and I'll put extra notes in this section as well. Any assignments that I do collect are going to be collected in class, and if they are out, I would prefer them to email me and not upload it into CTLS. And if I would have to create the lesson assignment there. So if you don't see anything there and they want to turn something in, email is the best way to do that. And then under here, you can see that if you just go straight to class resources, you'll see that Unit 1 has the resources there. And then you can kind of see other things down here. We won't really be using any of those this year. If it was an all digital class, we may start to use those other tabs if we happen to go virtual. So that is all in there for you. And let's see what else I need to tell you. I do use the calendar, so I've been trying to keep up with that better. It's new to us this year. So I'm trying to keep up with that portion, so you can see here that I did move the test to the 27th, and also the packet is going to be due. Now, with the packet, we won't be doing every single page of the packet, and I will communicate that to the students in class, but I will pick up the packet, and that will be our classwork grade for that unit. If anything else is due, I'll put it on the calendar as well. So the best way to contact me is going to be through email. And to do that, it's just my first name dot last name at cobbk12.org. And a lot of your children have had me before, so they should know how to contact me pretty good. And if you have any other questions, again, email is the best way, and I look forward to getting to know your children this year a little bit better and sending them off into the real world after high school.